Okay, today I'm trying to get started with Blender, and I'm following Blender Guru's donut tutorial, and I'm using MacBook, and I have a Magic Mouse, and I'm trying to see how to control the interface using that. So let's get rid of this box. Select the box cube and hit X, and I can select D or click the delete. Then I can shift A, and I can get the monkey from this menu. Right. So about rotating, I think Magic Mouse doesn't have the wheel or the third mount option, but so we are lucky we don't have these options. We don't need to worry about. So I can navigate or orbit through the this pane using the scrolling. So you can simply scroll on the Magic Mouse, and you can see here. So basically here, all right, let me focus on like this. Right. So you can see on here we have this navigation. Right now z-axis is here, and here we have the x-axis. I can scroll up and down. It will it will orbit the user, orbit this pane using the x-axis and up and down. So I can go to left and right from the mouse. You can see it now I'm orbiting around z-axis. Now if I go to side window, you can see here now x-axis is moved into y. So then I can go up and down and check the orbit through the z of y-axis. So like that I can easily move around this object, and it's really nice, and I really like, rather than I don't need to click anything, it's just work. And about zooming, I couldn't find a way to do that using the mouse, but luckily we can pinch zoom and zoom out using the touchpad, and so we have to touch a couple of things, but anyway, it works. I'll try to find a way to do that later on. Right, so in the tutorial we have to make the monkey smoke or fire, so let's do that. So I can click this object, and I can hit the Fn and hit F3 because we don't have functions keys on MacBook anymore, and I can select the quick smoke, and it will add that to this monkey. And then I can click, so let's play that. So we can see some smoke. So this CPU, this machine doesn't have a GPU any kind of, that's why it's not that clear, I guess, quite not sure. And then let's make this monkey on fire. So I can click this little circle icon, I guess. So I think he called it the simulation icon. Now here he called physics properties, and so I can select I have selected the smoke, but I have to select the Suzanne or the monkey, and then I can from here flow type I can select fire and smoke, and I had to play. Yeah, now it's on fire, so I can zoom out. Yep, see like that, and the camera view, yeah, it's looks nice. Right, yeah, this is it. This is my first update on learning Blender. See you later on.